Hello students, welcome to a new session on the Scratch programming. In last video, we have created our first simple demo application like your cat is following the mouse. So the cat is animated and mouse is a computer mouse, but it's create an interesting application there. I hope that you have done that or you have done some modification based on your ideas that you have learned in the previous sessions. Now today in this session I'll be showing you some different application to create. Like let's create a flying bird. So bird is flying and we have seen lot many different birds in day which are flying. So let's create a different bird which is flying at night. You may not have seen that one, just like owl and bats are there which flies at night, and we can create this animation that the bird is flying at night in the jungle. So how to do this one, what factors are involved in that, what statement that we have to add in the program. Let's go step by step. Open your editor. So this is my default Scratch editor. When I open the editor for the first time, we'll be having your cat sprite, the controlling character in the output. Okay, so what I require a bat here. So first of all I need to delete this character from my output. So here is my cat, the sprite is present. So let's delete this. Click on this option, this icon. So my output cat will get deleted. Now I will decide who will be my output character. So let's see who will be that. I'll just go to my sprite selection option, choose a sprite, click choose a sprite, and here I can choose the sprite that I want. For example, as I told, I require the bat in the output. So here is the bat. Okay, you can see it contains multiple costumes present on that when you move your mouse onto it. We have seen this concept already in the costumes. So I'll just click on the bat. If it's not present there, you can use the above search bar and type the name bat. Okay, so bat is my controlling character. It's present here. It contains multiple costumes. I'll just drag and keep the position of the bat at this location here, at the bottom right position corner. Okay, so this position over there, and with the help of multiple costumes. So as we already seen in the previous video, that a character can have multiple costumes present there. I'm just going to change their costumes, so it will create an effect of animations in the output. Okay, so bat is my controlling character. Let's make some background as the jungle. Okay, so let's go to backdrop here, click on that. Okay, and choose a backdrop, click. Okay, so I want a backdrop like jungle. Okay, is there any backdrop which is containing a jungle? Let's check it out. Okay, so yeah, okay, it's jungle. Yeah, check it out. So click on that. Perfect. Okay, so I got a road in the jungle and almost night kind of appearance is present there, and here is my bat is present. Now my task is to move or fly this particular bat in the air in specific direction. Like for example, I'll move this bat in this direction. It will go in this direction till this branch. Okay, and get it positioned over there. That's it. That's what my task is. Okay, so my final output is designed. My character is bat, my backdrop is a jungle, and then after that I will start moving my bat towards this direction. Okay, towards this direction. As we have seen, these directions are just like we are having x axis this side, this is y axis. Okay, x and y. So here x will start decrementing and y will start incrementing. Correct. So if I am moving this particular bat on this direction, okay, x axis will start decrementing and y will start incrementing. Okay, so let's see how to do these particular operations. So first of all, before my bat starts flying, let's add this sound to him. Okay, so let's go to the sound option. Okay, and okay, so let's start sound. Okay, so this is my sound. Let's maximize this. Okay, so I'm writing this program for the owl. Start sound. Okay, so whatever sound is present, default sound is given as owl to the controlling character here. Okay, so when I click on that, okay, that's what the sound present for this character. We can change the sound with the help of the mechanism that we have seen in the previous video of the sounds. Okay. Now after this, let's take some steps. For example, this owl wants to move at this position, so it may take 25 steps. So let's take this. Okay, so before that I need to change my y by 10 and x also by 10. So let's go to the motion. As I want in this direction, it means that y is incrementing, above I am moving, and here this is back side. Okay, so it means that x is decrementing. Okay, so let's go to change x by, okay, so x by some number and change y by some number. Okay, let's move it. Okay, as I told, x is incrementing, correct, so I'll keep y as 10 and y is incrementing, so it is 10, and x is decrementing, so I'll make it minus 10 here. Let's try one, what exactly now positions are happening. Click on that. See this, when I click, click. Okay, so when I click on that, the bat is moving exactly in the direction that I expect, that I want. Okay, so x decrementing and y is incrementing. Okay, like this. So it's fine, it's working correctly. So I'll keep it again at the similar positions here. Perfect. Now once the movement is done, I want to wait the owl for few seconds. Let's say for 0.1 second again, just we have seen in the last video. So we'll go to controls, okay, and take the wait statement. Okay, and let's add some 0.1 seconds here. So once the movement is done, that will wait for 0.1 second, and after that we have to change the costume. We have to change the costume of the bat. So to change the costume of the bat, we have another option present over here. Like, we are going to check the options of the costumes from here. Okay, change the costumes. So let's change the costume. So here we have option called as next costume. So take this and right here. Fine. Next costume. Now let's see, I'll run this. See, so it's getting next costume. Check this again. Yeah, so it's creating a flying effect. Check it out. Perfect. Yes, correct. So it's moving there when I clicking onto it. So I need to do this operation some repetitive number of times. So keep it here and repeat these steps for some n number of times. Let's take 25 number of times. So all these steps, how to do? Let's go to controls, and then repeat this for some 25 number of times. So let's take this repeat and put over it. Okay, so just a minute, it's changing. Okay, so what we'll do, repeat, it's placed over it here. Okay, correct now, and connect. Say this. Now all the 4 steps I put inside the repeat loop, and I'll make this as 25. Okay, repeat 25 number of times. Okay, and at the end again, when the loop is ended, so this loop is started from here till this particular point. So whatever the steps are mentioned over here, that are repeated for 25 number of times. As we have click for multiple number of times, and we have seen the animation, it was perfectly going toward the direction that we want. So it's working. So we'll create a loop for them and then put all these steps inside the loop for 25 number of times. And after that, we'll play the sound again. Okay, start sound again when it's completed. So when it start flying, we'll create a sound. When it stop the flying, that time also to create the particular sound. Okay, I think I have done with my particular code. So let's start the sound and repeat this step for 25 number of times. Change y by 10, that is will go up, and x by minus 10, so on in this direction. Okay, slide, and then wait for 0.1 second. Again next costume. It means that it will check the next costume. That also we have seen. It creates a flying effect of that. Okay, so 25 number of time when the task is done, we'll play this sound again and we'll stop it. Let's try it's working or not. Clicked. Okay, so so my bat has flight, and it is now reached at the respective branch and positioned over there. So I can adjust it now. I, instead of 25, I make 30. Okay, let's make it 30 and keep my bat here, and now let's try it. Okay, it's on the branch exactly like this. So in this way we can create an animation of the flying bird. So you can choose any bird, you can just check their costumes and create the animated characters as per your logic or the session that we have seen till. Okay, so in upcoming sessions also I'll be showing such different animations, and then after that we'll move toward the game development of it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.